Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Friday, November 1st. I'm heading to Burnet, Texas to shoot a football game. Burnet versus Fredericksburg. A little chilly. Gonna be a little chilly. Probably be in the 40s when I come home. But I got my nice winter duds on. My Texas winter duds. How about that? So I'll keep these pants on just because it'll be cool out there on the football field. And I got my other company coat in the back, big huge logo in the back, a couple hats, some liners, and some little mittens. I can pull my fingers out and press the shutter button and focus button, that kind of thing. So I gotta film now because I'm gonna be heading that way right into the sun, which is gonna be a bear, especially when it sets. It's right in your face. And I put my clear shield on just because it's going to be dark by the time I get over there, and I don't want to open it up. But anyway, I'm not cold in these clothes, so I'll be fine. I think it's only supposed to be, I think it's only like a high, I think it might be 59 right now, but it's going to drop to in the 40s in a couple hours. But not bad. It beats the heck out of snow and in the negative below zero. So anyway, heading on over. That's about all I got. Just thought I'd do a quick video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, I'm glad I left a little bit early. There's a lot of people trying to get home from work. I've been sitting at lights forever. I should get there by 7. Game doesn't start till 7:30 unless there's more traffic over that area too. Probably not too much over there. It's all this Austin traffic. Everybody lives out in Leander, Liberty Hill, and there's just a lot of traffic out in this area. And there's a game down here tonight. Boy, if I was late, I'd be stuck in that traffic for the game right down here. Luckily, I'm early enough to get through that crap. Anyway, ooh, I smell food. It smells good. It's got to be Sonic. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. I think it's on. Yep, it's on. I put my remote away, but I left after the third quarter just so I could beat the traffic out of there, because there's not that many people there, but usually there are. At Friday night football games in Texas, there's usually tens of thousands, but this is a smaller town, so there wasn't that many. But anyway, I had to put another little layer on underneath my ski jacket. Pants are fine. I wore it there, but I put another layer on that helps, because it's only 48 degrees. Let me see. Yep, 48 degrees, and I'm on the highway, so a little nippy, but not bad. I could still ride all day in this kind of stuff. I don't like riding at night too, though, because there's a lot of deer out. I don't want to hit a deer. It won't just dent my fender. It could kill me. Anyway, bye.